So here's our guiding light, 1 hour on our hourly chart, correct? So this all the levels spelled out by the price since last week. Pay attention carefully to very important areas. This is a bounce on October 6th, completely expected. This is also precisely the reason why my bias remained completely bullish when we were at extremely critical area. Today, oil reached decision point 2 and staging quite a bit of a bounce. We know extremely well that today is oil news day, and we also know extremely well the importance of not acquiring position anywhere near this level. So, what am I seeing currently? I'm seeing that more than likely oil will be extremely quiet. I'm seeing exactly the reason why oil bounced as we discussed in Alpha Wave Traders Club this morning. Because it is not just hourly levels, these are very important daily levels. So will oil stage quite a rally? If that would be quite a rally on oil at the time of the news release, do not ignore this level to the upside. But what do I expect on oil? I expect this rally to be extremely temporary, as I see extremely clearly that oil heading drastically lower down. Nevertheless, we're respecting this support level that oil had been respecting since yesterday. Again, eventually oil will make it here. That's ultimate destination. That's where we're expecting quite a rally from this area. Nevertheless, this is a dance at decision point 2, so the dance between these levels. If we are to buy, we'll be buying from here. If we are to sell, we will be selling from here. All the levels spelled out by the price since last week. So take a look at this. This is where oil had staged quite a bounce in September, and this is precisely the reason why oil taking quite a pause. All the levels spelled out by the price since last year. What are we seeing on oil? Extremely clearly that oil will continue drastically lower down. This is a day trading room. Here I will be taking small time frames up and down, knowing extremely well. Do not be fooled. Oil is heading south as spelled out by the price many months ago. So if you know the rules, if you know the method, this would be extremely critical area where you should monitor for very powerful opportunity. So keep our fingers crossed that we will be in a trading room when oil daily will make it to these levels, as you saw extremely clear correlation with hourly. And as price works in mysterious ways, today is FOMC day. This is where S&P was yesterday, correct? Reminding you the importance of the end of the minor trend. This is exactly why our bias remain bullish on S&P, as we know extremely well. This is extremely critical and the most powerful support level, because we always have minor trend, we not always have major trend. This is the least important support level. Nevertheless, guess what? The reason why price had been dancing in this area is because it's very important daily level. So today's FOMC release, I'm extremely excited and keep my fingers crossed that I can be here for FOMC release. I'm waiting for permission from my mentoring student. If Randy says yes, I will be here for FOMC. If Randy says no, I'm obligated to meet with my mentoring student as set up weeks ago. So, a very quiet day in FOMC typically at the time of prior to the news. It is the most critical and the most powerful news release ever. Expect extremely volatile formations around 2 EST. What is S&P showing me? Is this level is broken, S&P is heading drastically lower down. Do not forget the 12-point rally we took advantage of from this level last time. So, will S&P do the same thing today? Very important. If this level is broken, collapse on S&P will continue drastically lower. Today, I expect rally, no question about it. Not far off from this area. but only if you know how to play by the rules.